Hello YouTube, it's Rich. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite deck profiles, which is Salamangreat. So we normal summon Foxy. We add Jack Jaguar to our hand. We're going first here, so. Oh, that was a misclick by me. Alright, so what we do here next is go into Balinks, add Sanctuary. Activate Sanctuary. We set this Roar. We special summon Mole because it points down to the Balinks arrow. Activate Will. Or we're supposed to special summon Jack Jaguar into Sunlight Wolf. Cause it's really important here. If you summon the Foxy, what will happen is you won't have the Jack Jaguar in the graveyard, so it's a +1 if you have the Jaguar in the graveyard. So we reincarnate into another wolf. Now we can special summon the Jaguar by returning the other wolf to the extra deck. And then the wolf effects lets you add the Foxy to your hand. Into the other Balinks, and we can go into Transcode, and then we can get our other Sunlight Wolf back. Because Transcode is like really good, because basically they're both linked to each other, so they're basically, this guy's on 28, this guy's on 25. This is really good board. Like, I mean, it's not the full combo, but it is a decent board. So it's our opponent's turn. He activates Hero Lives. I'm not going to roar it because I'm just going to let him do it. And he special summons Burst Symmetrix. He's probably playing some classic deck. So he goes here, activates Poly, I negate it. And he just ends. That's it. So here we just reincarnate into the other wolf, activate the wolf effect to get the other roar, set Rage and Roar, normal Foxy. Yeah, we add Foul to the hand. Go into Heatleo, and we can shuffle their back row because whatever it is just gone, so it's just, you know, secure. Special summon Foul. Okay, now we just go into the battle phase. And that's ODK because you use Hero Lives. So we are playing against this guy. In this match we draw a pretty decent hand actually, so it's really nice. So we'll go ahead, normal summon Jack Jaguar, special Foul, go into Balinks, add Sanctuary. Activate the Sanctuary, special summon Gazelle because we send Jack Jaguar to the grave. Activate its effect to send Rage. We go ahead into Sunlight Wolf. Then we go ahead and reincarnate Sunlight Wolf and we can get our Rage back. And then Jack Jaguar comes back because of the thing. Because of its effect by shuffling the Wolf back. We set the Rage and Abyss Dweller first. I mean, that's a pretty solid setup. We got Abyss Dweller, we got an Ash Blossom, and we got a Rage. So that's really good. Okay, so he goes ahead, activates Brigadine. I chain that. It's fine. Looks like he's playing Phantom Knights. Ash Blossom the Allure. I think he accidentally sends that to Grave, or to Bannerstone. Alright, so it's Argo. We draw Call by Grave. We chain Rage. We activate Rage here, and I think I target. Yeah. So there's a Super Poly there, a Fog Blade there, and a Call by the Grave there, and I think I target Call by the Grave and Super Poly here. Yeah. So we get rid of those. It's good to get rid of the Super Poly. He does chain the Fog Blade on the Sunlight Wolf. That means I can't activate its effect. But we're just going to go ahead and reincarnate anyway. Activating its effect, and we can get back the other Rage. Set 2, special this guy. It was a bit delayed, but it's okay. Activate its effect. Send Spinny. And then activate Spinny's effect as special. And we can go into Lion Emperor. This guy is like the new addition and the swap out for Stalio. Basically what this guy does is you can detach a material, then add any fire monster in your graveyard to your hand. It's really good because if you have no valid fire monster in your graveyard, you can detach one of its materials and add it back. That's what like the ruling is, so it's really good. So we send the Gazelle, and then we just add back the Gazelle. And then we activate Wolf's effect to add Ash Blossom. Just go ahead and battle. So pretty basic, and then we just end. So we activate Dweller effect on standby phase. He goes ahead, does Greffer and that. He goes into Dark Rebellion, and we just change. Alright guys, I'm here with the deck profile. I will be posting more videos about this deck because I really like it, and it is one of my favorite decks, so let's just get into the deck profile. So first of all, we're playing 3 Ash Blossoms, since you know, as we're playing Salads, we have like a lot of hand trap space. 3 Ash Blossom, 2 Phantasme, 2 Buffalo. You don't want to have more than 2 Buffalos, it gets annoying. 3 Lady Debugs, 2 Nibiru, 3 Red Resonator. This card is mainly, I didn't get to show it to you, but I will. There's like a combo. Red Resonator is a tuner, and when it's normal summon, you can special summon 1 level 4 or lower monster from your hand. And then if you special summon a level 4, you can go into this, and then that gets you your Gazelle straight away. 1 Falco, 2 Foul. You don't want to normally draw this, it's bad draw. 2 Foul, 2 Foxy, 1 Gazelle, 2 Jaguar. We are playing 1 Mole, 2 Spinny, 2 Gallbladder Graves. You have your, like, Spinny's decent. 2 Gallbladder Graves, because we don't, like, the hand traps do really hurt us. 1 Circle, 1 Sanctuary, 3 Wolves of Salamangreat. 2 evenly matched for, like, the one, like, the spirals and everything. They get, like, really huge boards, and we normally have less cards than them anyway. 2 Rage, 3 Wars. Since we don't have Stalia, we can't always get to the Roar and Rage, so we do rely on top decking them as well. I'm just gonna skip the side deck. You can basically play whatever you want. Just play the 3 drone lock against spirals. We're playing Brotherhood of the Firefist Horsemen, because basically what this does, when the synchro summon, you can special summon 1 level 3 or level 3 fire monster from your deck, and that's just Red Resonator. He's the only tuner in our deck. 1 Abyss Dweller, 1 Fire Fist Lion Emperor. I explained this guy in the duel. So the rank 4, the rank 3. Borolo Dragon. We're playing the Borolo Dragon and Update Jammer combo. So basically, once you get this, it lets him attack twice. And also, I think Boroload is better than Borosword because it can't be targeted with monster effects. We're playing 1 Hita, 3 Balances, 2 Helio, 3 Sunlight Wolf, all standard. We are playing the Transcode, and some of you might say, why am I playing the Transcode when I have a Fiend in my deck? And it's just generally good when you don't have the Red Resonator and you can just go into Transcode. It is a strong card. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.